like for example, you cannot see here same like in LA. But I tell you what, we've been talking with one truck guy. He's transferring cars. And he's saying people from here transfer their Lambo and Ferrari to Las Vegas in the winter time, to Las Vegas and Miami and California, and they drive the rich people from here drive the Lambo and Ferrari and all of these expensive car in California winter time. So you're not gonna see those cars here, but lots of expensive cars come from here to there.
Okay.
They're just in the garage basically. Because here is lots of snow and everything. Nobody's gonna drive it here. In the summer you're gonna see some. But not that much. People here just driving this type of cars.
আমি এখন আসছি আমার সিস্টার ইন লর সাথে আমার ভাইয়ের ক্রিস্টাল লিকার স্টোর ওয়্যার হাউস। এটা আমার ভাইয়ের, আমাকে ঘোরাতে নিয়ে আসছে। এরকম ওর অনেকগুলো স্টোর আছে, তো এটাই দেখতে আসলাম। ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ ভিক্টোরিয়া। Oh, that's so big.
Here's our wine section.
Okay.
On the back is a sweet wine section.
Okay.
And here is liquor. Here is the vodka.
Oh, here all of vodka.
Rum. Here is the rum. This is tequila.
Wow.
Bourbons and whiskey, scotch, and everything else. Here is the gin, brandy, and cocktails.
Okay.
Mixes. And here is the beers, cold wine, beverages. Those are small sizes, and some of the this is like a allocated and
expensive stuff.
For example, Dom Perignon, $269.
Oh, okay.
This one Cellar, Aged, $339. This one $400. $1,000.
Woo!
That's another one right here. One Winkel, $1,000.
Wow.
Yeah.
Beautiful. How many store you guys? Victoria? 3? Oh, okay. Hi.
This is our shuri.
Okay.
He works here. And then his son.
Hi.
Here is a beer.
Oh, all of beer.
So Russell built this counter himself.
Oh, really?
Yes, full thing he built by himself.
And
Everything is his idea. Everything he's done, was done by his hand.
Oh.
This is all wines.
Okay. Ooh. Big.
There is a lot of product for
It's a store, huh? Wow.
This was not here. We built it. This.
Okay.
Because he wants to lock it up. When delivery comes, he wants to lock the liquors.
Oh, okay.
And here is like a 2 bathroom, but one is a below.
Oh, okay.
There's 1 bathroom, and here is all the beers.
Wow.
It is here the walking cooler here.
Okay.
Inside beer.
All of
It's a push.
beer, huh?
Yeah, everything is a beer.
Ooh. It's too big. Wow. And that side.
Other one gonna be, next one is gonna be more bigger.
Really? Okay. Oh my God. Oh, thank you, sweetie.
Okay, that's all.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, look. Special made for Crystal Liquor Warehouse, acrylic painting by Victoria Zagat.
Oh, really? Victoria. Oh.
Before I had lots of time, now I don't have.
Oh God! Look, এগুলো সব আমার ভাইয়ের বউ, আমার sister in law. She paint all this painting. She paint. Wow. Wow. Beautiful, beautiful.
This all for this store.
Wow.
This. And the beach with champagne.
Oh, beautiful. Okay.
This is all made in for this store. So, me and him work night.
Yeah.
We thinking how to put everything. Nice. Area here, the biggest selection of
Selection
the liquor
of-
and wines,
Oh.
everything, and then even allocated. Only our store has the best selection of allocated stuff.
Wow. Indian or?
Yes,
Okay.
we have almost all our crews Indian guys.
Okay. Yeah, he also Indian.
Yes.
Okay.
No, I think he's Nepali. You're Nepali, right?
Oh, okay. So,
This is
your
our second
another store?
Yes. Names are gonna change. Now it's the Marvin Liquors, but
Okay.
Russell in the process to change everything
Okay.
to his own name.
Mm-hmm.
For right now, we just like this because we're just trying to make a change.
Oh, okay.
So this is our second store. We bought it about 2 years before.
Oh.
And this has the most. I think this is the biggest one.
Oh, really? Okay.
But we still do it.
Oh, wow.
Careful.
Wow.
Sammy, lots of water here. Can you please? Water.
Yeah.
Maybe need one carpet here so people don't fall. Okay, just do this one. This is our manager.
Okay. This is store manager? Okay.
Yeah, this is from this store. He's manager. Here is a single beer. Hard liquors. Vodka. Rum. And everything else is the wines. And definitely the bigger cooler, you can see. The
Oh.
huge cooler on the back for the beers.
Oh,
And the
sure.
coolers.
Okay.
Here is the Russell's office.
It's the office room?
Yeah.
Okay.
We are waiting for lamps delivered. We don't have light here. Our
Wow.
lamp is good. Okay.
Beautiful.
So you see, this one is definitely white.
Yeah.
Way open and white. And on the back is bigger too.
Oh, really? Mm.
So this is all the gears.
Oh,
Here is our delivery.
okay. Wow. Big storage, huh?
This is
Cooler?
yeah, this is all here.
Oh, okay. Wow.
So from other side, you just pick up the gears.
Refill
And
that
this is
side.
refills.
Oh, beautiful. And that side? Okay.
And this is storage.
Cleaning, okay, bathroom, storage. Oh. There's a storage also. Big. Wow. Beautiful, baby.
So this is what we have in here. That's it.
Your weekly flyer on Menards.
Yeah.
Do you want anything? Soda or something?
No, no.
No? Okay.
No, I'm good, baby. Good. So we go home and we lunch. I hope so.
We're still going very far away.
Really?
One more.
Oh, another store? Oh, okay, 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 okay.
One more. Like banking and stuff.
Everything you take care. Okay, okay.
Not everything I take care. I just take care some of the stuff that
Uh-huh.
he teach me. The hardest part is on him.
Oh.
Orders are really like hard part. Yeah.
Okay. Oh,
Look at this one. Don Julio,
yeah.
1942,
Mm-hmm.
$330. So this type of stuff. Oh, this is what I was talking about. Spades. And look at the price. $500.
My God. Oh,
Champagne.
champagne.
Bottle of champagne. I don't know. I don't have this half and half milk.
Yeah, no problem. Okay, we use milk.
Okay.
আজকে সারাদিন অনেক ঘোরাঘুরি হলো, শপিং, গ্রোসারি, and now there's a sugar cane juice. Wow, she gave me a surprise. Now me and Victoria go home. Oh, she buys some shingara. Wow. Too cold outside.
Yeah, it's time for
Yeah, time to fuska. Oh,
too much condensate.
yeah,
And fuska.
and fuska too. Yeah. Suddenly you remember. Oh, I didn't buy the fuska. And run.
More than the fuska, I like brain masala. If brain
Ah,
masala is there,
brain
also
masala.
good.
Uh-huh. Oh, you remember Atlanta?
Bye.
Yeah, Dulabai video. Yeah, brain masala. Tinku told your Dulabai, Victoria like brain masala.
Yeah,
Okay.
No problem.
No problem.
Yeah, not here.
Yeah. And
Not in
you
Minnesota.
enjoyed.
Not in Minnesota. No brain masala.
No brain masala. Oh.
And Chicago before have, now don't have.
Oh. Pakistani restaurant also sell the brain masala.
Yeah,
Huh?
but US give some trouble in the whole US. They stop selling the brain because of some disease or something. So they stopped it and then they'd never come back to Chicago anymore.
Okay.
So it's only available maybe in Atlanta
In
and
New York.
I don't know about New York. I know California does.
California. Okay, okay.
California, there's a Pakistani restaurant. They have it.
So, if you want to eat bring masala, so you have to go to Atlanta or California.
Yes. Or New York, maybe.
Oh my God!
So anyways,
it's expensive.
Anywhere I have a family. In Atlanta, I have a
Yes, and
family.
California
In
also.
California, I have
family.
Monica Kala.
Monica Kala.
Mama Shapun.
Chapun Mama, yeah.
And then Biti Kala.
Vidika, yeah.
California.
California.
Then in Atlanta, it's my Dula by
Yeah, Dula Banditapu.
And then,
Oh, so sweet, baby.
And then now in New York,
Uh-huh.
New York nobody, but we can go to the Boston.
Oh, yeah. Lablu Kaku and
Yeah.
Shobha Chachi, yeah. Oh God,
I have lots of family.
lot of, yeah. We have a
No
big
problem.
family, big
No
family.
problem.
No problem, yeah.
Yes, everywhere family.
Everywhere family.
Everything because of Russell.
Russell, yes, yes, yes.
All the connection come to him, which is good.
Yeah, it's so good. So now we go back to home.
Yes, we'll go.
Sweet home. Yeah.
But tomorrow we must make another plan to do something because
Okay.
we still didn't go to that glow
Okay.
and we don't see Mall of America and we can find something else to
Okay. 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 What time you want to go out? You just tell me. Okay.
yeah. No problem. We'll go have
Yeah. Today I'm enjoying.
me too.
Lot of fun.
Yeah.
Thank you for your mocha coffee and chocolate. Yeah, croissant.
Yeah.
It was so tasty, and now it's a sugar cane juice. Yeah, it's my favorite. After long time, I drink this sugar cane drink.
Yeah, it's not
Fresh.
it's not everywhere. It's just only one shop is available.
Oh,
Only
okay.
one.
Only one. Wow. Can you tell my all of viewers? Say bye.
Bye.
Okay, bye. See you tomorrow, huh, Victoria?
tomorrow.
Yeah.